Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix black wallpaper dual monitor. We will access settings from start. There, we go to the personalization section. After this, you can click on one of the available themes. This will be applied automatically. Use the desired theme for your screen. After this, in the search box, enter contrast. Open contrast themes. Here in the line, Contrast Themes, select one of the available ones. Click on Apply and wait for this theme to be applied. You can choose the None option and apply the changes to return to the original contrast theme. Then in the search box, enter Power Plan. Open the option, choose a power plan. You can change the current plan to correct the error and thus have wallpaper on your second screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.